Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a quick guide on how to renew your NFL Sunday Ticket for 2025. Here's the deal. NFL Sunday Ticket is an annual subscription, and it automatically renews each year before the new season at full retail price. So if you're already subscribed, you don't have to do a thing. It'll renew automatically unless you cancel. Now, if you don't want to be renewed, you can turn off auto-renew anytime. Just know that if you cancel mid-season, you'll still keep access for the rest of the current season. You won't lose what you've already paid for. To check your renewal details like your next charge date or to make changes, head over to youtube.com/purchases. There you'll see all your active subscriptions, including NFL Sunday Ticket. And that's it. Renewal is automatic, but you're in control if you want to cancel or review your plan. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.